Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful side dish and we're going to make this with aloo and palak. Of course, we're going to make aloo palak curry. Now this requires very simple ingredients and this is a perfect dish for rotis and chapatis. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe I've taken 6 medium-sized potatoes, washed them nice and clean, peel off the skin, chop them into medium-sized pieces and keep them in a bowl of water till you cook them. Take a nice wide pan or a kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, about 3 red chilies, add about 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the onions are transparent, add 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Saute it along with the onions. Next add the potato pieces. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder and mix everything. Next add 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Mix it along with the potatoes. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it along with all the potatoes. Now add about half cup of water. Mix everything well. Close the pot and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's check on the potatoes. I'm going to season it with another teaspoon of salt. You can see how all the water is absorbed and the potatoes are cooked beautifully. It's so soft and tender. Next I'm adding a bunch of palak leaves, that is spinach. Make sure you wash it nice and clean and roughly chop it. Add the chopped palak leaves to the potatoes and mix everything well. Close the pot and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Wow, the aloo palak masala is coming together beautifully. The aroma is incredible. For the final touches, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee and a teaspoon of kasuri methi. Crush it between your palms and add it. It's going to add a lot of flavor. So here you go, the aloo palak masala curry is done. It's just incredibly delicious. It's best to be served with some nice chapatis or rotis by the side. This is a very simple and easy to make side dish that you can make very quickly in minutes and you can enjoy it. So there is this incredibly delicious aloo palak curry which is a must try and you can see how simple this is. This is a perfect side dish for any rotis or chapatis. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.